Hi guys, welcome to the Healthcare channel. Today's video we'll talk about the benefits of drinking fresh fruit and vegetable juices. The global fruit and vegetable juice market continues to expand with a high degree of consistency. The market is expected to reach more than $5 trillion by 2020 and is forecast to experience double-digit revenue growth in the following 3 years. Global Organic Food Industry Research Report presents an in-depth study of the current growth prospects in this market. It also sheds light on the detailed competitive landscape of this global fruit and vegetable juice market. The first step towards understanding the market potential and the fruit juice's growth potential is to know the history of this beverage. Fruits and vegetables are among the first foods humans started eating around 9,000 years ago. They have been used as food for centuries by man, both in raw form and in their preserved forms. As early as 5000 BC, the Egyptian people started making a drink from fruits and vegetables. Later, the Chinese and Indians adopted this practice of preserving fresh vegetables in a liquid and began drying them. The dry fruits were eventually replaced by the water-soaked fruit pulp, which farmers and other individuals did to speed up drying. However, even with its early beginnings, the basic principle of preserving fruits and vegetables has remained the same for thousands of years. Today, fresh fruit and vegetable juices are available in various shapes, flavors, and colors. They come in many varieties and can be mixed or blended to produce different flavors and tastes. These juices are now being made available by many retailers, selling them both at home and in retail outlets. This is one of the reasons why there is so much demand for fresh fruit and vegetable juices in the market today. One of the major benefits of consuming fresh fruit and vegetable juice is the healthy benefits of fresh fruits and vegetables. Most of them contain vitamins A and C, which are essential for the body. They are also rich in calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and other minerals necessary for proper bodily function. Besides having these essential nutrients, fruits and vegetables are also rich in carbohydrates, helping burn fat fast and improve the body's energy level. It is also possible to obtain antioxidants in fruits and vegetables by eating them directly or juicing them. In most cases, eating whole fruits and vegetables can give you the exact amount of antioxidants you need for your body. Some fruits are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant found in red berries, grapes, and oranges, while others are rich in lycopene, another type of antioxidant. Another benefit of consuming fresh fruit and vegetable juice is that it helps to flush out toxins out of your body. This is an important factor in maintaining a healthy body because toxins usually contribute to weight gain and health problems like cancer and other diseases. It also prevents free radicals from entering the bloodstream, damaging the cells and contributing to degenerative diseases. Besides, eating fresh fruit and vegetable juice can help remove waste from the body, allowing it to function better. Another advantage of the fresh fruit and vegetable juice is that it is packed with essential nutrients. Most of them contain vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients needed by your body for good health. Fruits and vegetables also contain protein and minerals that your body needs in small amounts. They contain fiber, which is also an important nutrient for proper digestion and regular bowel movements. Drinking fresh fruit and vegetables is one of the best things you can do to improve your health and wellness. When beginning to incorporate juicing into your lifestyle, it is important that you research the health benefits derived from different types of fruits and vegetables so that you can make the best juices for your particular health needs. This advice contains several great juicing tips. Use apple to sweeten juices made of primary vegetables. Apple will sweeten most juices without adding too much to the flavor of the juice. Apple also mixes well with nearly every fruit and vegetable combination, unlike many other sweet fruits. This can be very helpful when using tart or otherwise slightly unpleasant vegetables in your juices. Crumple up leafy greens, such as spinach, into tight balls before putting them in your juicer. Your juicer is primarily designed to deal with solid fruits and vegetables, not thin leaves. You will get better results from your juicer if you simulate this effect by squashing your leafy greens before juicing. Store all your fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator, especially in the summertime. Juicing depends on fresh produce, and leaving them out starts the process of decay more quickly. Keep your produce nice and cool until you eat it to preserve as many vitamins as you can. Do not overuse vegetables that are high in oxalic acid. This acid is a contributor to kidney stones and can impact osteoporosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Vegetables such as rhubarb, chard, beets, and spinach contain lots of oxalic acids. Use them in moderation and avoid mixing with broccoli or other high-calcium food to maintain prevention. Should you juice wheatgrass? The claims are many about its health benefits, including the fact that it helps increase the number of red blood cells, flushes the body of toxic metals, keeps your organs in tip-top shape, and clears out your lymph system. It's also said to increase vitality, which we can all use. Reading the instruction manual that came with your juicer will help you make the best juice possible. The manual will advise you of which fruits or vegetables that may require the skin to be removed. It will also tell you which produce does not juice well, such as bananas and avocados. Make sure you drink your juices as soon as you make them. Time is important for juicing because valuable nutrients will become oxidized when exposed to the air. So you always want to drink your juices quickly. If, for some reason, you can't, then try to store the juice in an airtight container to minimize oxidation. If you are into juicing, you must try a strawberry banana juice. This is a great tasting juice with plenty of natural energy to give you that natural energy rush that you need. This is great for the morning, lunch, dinner, or even a quick and easy healthy dessert. One tip to keep the nutrients in the juice preserved even when storing it is to use airtight containers. Another preservation tip is adding a few drops of lemon to it and keeping the juice refrigerated. The longer the juice is stored, the less nutritious it becomes. Sugar is bad for your teeth, and so is chewing on sugar cane, but did you know that sugar cane juice is good for your teeth? Add it to any vegetable juice you'd like sweetened, and it can help prevent tooth decay while tasting great in the resulting product. When juicing soft fruits such as melons, peaches, and strawberries, it is good to know that the resulting juice will be thicker instead of juicing hard fruits such as apples. An excellent way to have great juice is by combining both of these juices. This will create balance and will result in a much better texture. If you like really thick juice, try using softer fruits to make nectar. Apricots, peaches, pears, and strawberries are all excellent choices. You can add banana to make it an even smoother treat, but put it in the blender first or mash it and then add it to your juicer so that your motor doesn't end up wearing out. If you're very deficient in a vitamin like B12 and can't find it in the fruit and vegetables you're juicing with, add in some powder. Grind up your recommended dose and put it into your juice, making it easier to swallow and digest. Be careful with which medicines you're putting in as some will react to various fruit, like grapefruit, and you could end up with a dose that is too potent. Juicing is a yummy alternative to choking down broccoli or other fruits and vegetables that you don't like. Please include as many veggies as you can into your juice by covering them up with powerful fruit flavors like apple, banana, and oranges. The citrus and sweet flavors of these will have no problems masking the other flavors you are not fond of. It's a great idea to plan out your meals for the week, including your juices. You can figure out which vegetables you'll eat when, whether it be solid or juiced, so you know exactly how much of everything you'll need to buy. This will also save you money as you can buy in bulk for multiple meals. Do not go overboard in making your juices. 5 different vegetables are not required for good vegetable juice. Use apple juice as a base, and add up to 3 additional vegetables to this. Fruit juice can be made this way too. The taste of each fruit or vegetable you use will shine through your blend if you limit how many you add. As was mentioned at the beginning of this advice, juicing and adding fresh fruit and vegetables to your diet is one of the best things you can do to improve your health. To get the most from juicing, you should research the benefits of different fruit and vegetable juices. The advice from this advice will help you ensure that you juice intelligently. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recommendations on health, relationship, lifestyle, and other helpful information to form life easier.